So this is the first batch. There were 4 5 more, but very simple, very basic. Let's do it. This is a very simple baking recipe. This is Pocky. But first, we will melt butter. Now, I don't know if this is the correct step or not, but that's what you do. You keep on trying, you keep on experimenting. You go for the so as I was saying, even if you know the answer, you still keep on trying on new stuff so that you find new ways of doing the same thing. And why not? That's what we are here for. I think it will be better if I use whisk here. One thing that the recipe mentioned that be patient with it, and sorry, one thing that the recipe mentioned and is true for all the baking items is be patient. It will take time. Be patient. This time I found the original company's product here as well. I still have to make the melted chocolate only for sale in Indonesia. Yes, I am in Indonesia. Now let's see the ingredients they used. Great. It's written in Indonesian language. Tepung gandum utuh susu bubuk garam paprika seed susu skim bubuk tepung terigu gula. Gula should be sugar, I think. I used only flour, butter, milk, sugar. That too the wrong sugar. Let's try. Actually, I should make mine first as well. Later, buddy. I think the length is good. See, almost the same length. Because it's a Japanese thing, I think they would be very careful about the length of the stick because that's how they show it, right? Whatever you see, you get. So, even if it's this, I think that's fine. I'm not cutting any smaller. just want to very carefully keep on rolling it, and you will feel it when it's done. I just chopped off 1 inch from the length because when you're rolling it up on the table, the size, the length increases. Once you get the hang of it, do it very fast. This is batch number 2, and they are perfectly brown. You can see the color as well. Very simple, very basic, right? You can see a light, and these sugar crystals have popped out. I mean, it was a mistake, but it's just adding so much more texture. It's feeling like the nice biscuits. I had around 10 sticks in batch 1. I am left with 3.5, so I'm not going to be eating another stick. Time to melt the chocolate and make Pocky. Presenting Pocky. I think look wise, I have nailed it. It looks pretty good. Whenever it comes to baking, I always think it's gonna be a hassle, and I'm not gonna be able to replicate a dish 100%. What happens inside the oven is a mystery, and you just try and do it as properly as you can. So, if in other recipes or dishes I say that just go by your heart and use it, don't stress about the measurements. Here, I still feel that because if it's written 100 grams, just take 100 grams. Let's try. Trying my first pocky stick I ever made, then I will try the packet. Now I know why the recipe said make at least 50. Wow. This is a must try recipe. I'm gonna put it down in the description. Do check it out and do like, share, and subscribe. It's time to try the packet version. Oh man, this is the packaged version and this is homemade. You can eat the whole box. I would still prefer mine. And I have managed to replicate as similar as possible. Even if mine look a little weird, not perfectly dipped. I like this one. I think I should do more of these things. Try to make the homemade version of packaged items like, biscuits, the iconic biscuits like hide and seek, Parle G, and all those things. And see how close we can reach without additional agents and emulsifiers and all those things, and use only ingredients we know. Okay, so that we can, make it a little healthier. See you next time. This was P for Pocky. And I have no more Pockies left.